People are making thousands of dollars with YouTube automation. So I decided to jump on this latest trend, and I will do it with the help of AI to create more budget-friendly videos in shorter time span. To begin, I searched online for highly paying YouTube niches. Although there is no such official list, it appears that the niches such as business, investing or insurance are often touted to having the highest potential for earnings. Many other YouTubers may have also shared this with you. However, based on my experience, I have found that these niches can be particularly challenging when it comes to attracting views, especially if you are just starting out. After careful consideration, I have made the decision to focus on health category. Unlike niches such as cooking, which is typically received about $2 CPM per 1000 views, health-related videos have the potential to earn much higher rates, ranging from $10 to $12 per 1000 views, and sometimes even more. Furthermore, the health category offers numerous sponsorship opportunities, allowing for additional income streams. Additionally, there is a wide range of affiliate products related to this category available on platforms like ClickBank or Digistore24 that can be promoted to earn substantial commission. Now I need to start searching for the AI tools required to create the videos. So after a few hours of research, I decided that I would utilize these tools. Firstly, I will use vidIQ and Answer the Public to conduct research and discover trending topics. Then I will use sugoai.com to write video scripts. Lastly, utilize Pick3AI to transform the text into a video. Additionally, I will use Canva to create thumbnails. Our next step is to find suitable sub-niche for the health category. To accomplish this, I relied on Answer the Public. Using Answer the Public, I discovered relevant topics, and then with the help of vidIQ, I accessed their level of competitiveness. My main objective was to identify the topics that were in high demand. So my general guideline was to find keywords that had minimum 25,000 monthly searches and low to very low competition. It took me a while to research, but eventually I discovered a few desired keywords that I can focus on. After that, I used Sugo AI to find relevant video ideas around the keywords, and then use this awesome tool that wrote the entire video script for me within a few seconds. If I had to pay a content writer to write a script like this, then it would have cost me around $80 to $100 for a single script. You can find the links of all of these awesome AI tools in the description of this video. After having the scripts, I used Pick3 to convert the written text into video. Finally, I posted the video. I repeated the exact process for next two videos. But unfortunately, the result was disappointing at the end. It appears that my initial attempt at using AI video editing software did not meet the mark, as indicated by the low number of views in my first two videos. It became apparent that the viewers were clicking away from my videos within a few seconds, suggesting that the editing did not capture their attention. It seems that the AI video editing software may not be suitable for this particular niche. However, I am determined to turn the situation around. As you may know, YouTube's success relies heavily on achieving good average view duration and engagement in the videos. If you would like to see more in-depth videos like this from me on a regular basis, I kindly request your support. Please consider dropping like and watching the video all the way till the end, as this will greatly contribute to this channel's success and enable me to deliver more valuable content in the future. Meanwhile, I came across several videos on YouTube that are using text-to-speech to create professional sounding voiceover, and their video editing is top-notch. So I use speaktts.com to create highly engaging voiceover. These voices are made with AI.
Start a new fitness journey from home. Come and learn about mindfulness techniques like meditation and breathing exercises that help bring inner peace.
So they sound so realistic and professional. In order to enhance the engagement of our videos, now I have two options. The first option is to edit the videos by myself. However, since our objective is to automate the process as much as possible, investing my time directly in editing would undermine the overall purpose of this video. Therefore, I chose the second option, which involves hiring a professional video editor. Now, as a beginner, I understand that many of you may not have the budget to invest in expensive video editors. To address this, I diligently conducted in-depth research and discovered that wish2do.com offers top quality video editors at an affordable price. With this in mind, I decided to give their service a try. and have already booked an editor. Now I understand that not everyone may have the financial resources initially. So for those who have the time and willingness, I recommend learning video editing to edit your own videos. In the I button, I will provide links to some helpful tutorial videos that can assist you in learning the basic of video editing. In the meantime, I received the first edited video from the freelancer, and without delay, I uploaded it on YouTube. To make the video more searchable, I crafted an engaging title and description using SuVai. Unfortunately, my free trial of vidIQ had expired, but I leveraged the keyword tools available on SuVai to write relevant tags for my videos. With everything in place, I eagerly hit the publish button. I am incredibly thrilled about this video because the editing is exceptionally captivating. I even found myself watching it multiple times. To give you a taste of what's in store, I will play the intro for you to check out.
Start a new fitness journey from home. Come and learn about mindfulness techniques like meditation and breathing exercises that help bring inner peace.
After a few days, I made decision to unleash the previous videos to avoid any potential harm to my channel's reputation. Following that, I received additional 4 videos from the freelancer. I promptly published all of them. It is truly remarkable to receive high quality videos on a regular basis without having to invest significant effort. My process involved writing script using SuVai, creating voiceover with SpeakTTS, sending the materials to the editor, and receive professionally edited videos within a short span of time. This represents the perfect balance between maintaining quality and delivering a consistent quantity of content. This workflow has proven to be incredibly efficient and rewarding. Then something amazing happened. My 7th or 8th videos started gaining immense popularity. Within a few hours, the views kept increasing rapidly, going from hundreds to thousands and even higher. Additionally, I gained hundreds of subscribers, going from 0 to 100 and then 200. It was absolutely mind-blowing. I couldn't help but feel addicted to consistently checking the numbers and refreshing the screen every couple of seconds. I kept going with the process. So in total, over the past month, I shared 6 videos. Surprisingly, my last video also gained massive attention and became my most viewed one. I posted it a week ago, interestingly. Now let's dive into the most exciting part, my results. As you can see, my channel has amassed a total of 25,000 views across all the videos. I am thrilled to report that I have already achieved 846 hours of watch time and gained 786 subscribers. However, to become monetized, I still need to reach the thresholds of 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers. Based on my current growth rate, I estimate that I will reach this milestone in another month or even less. Once my channel becomes monetized, my plan is to hire individuals to help manage it, explore additional revenue streams, and transform it into a fully fledged series where I can share my journey and experiences. So make sure to subscribe to my channel. Oh, I almost forgot to mention an exciting development. During my 3rd week, I earned $15 from a sponsored link that I included in the video description. Additionally, I received $35 for a brief 10-second mention of a product in one of my videos. Furthermore, I successfully generated 7 sales through my affiliate links, resulting in approximately $112 in earnings. These initial monetization success have been incredibly encouraging. In conclusion, AI technology has proven to be highly effective in creating high-quality voiceovers and generating well-written scripts. However, when it comes to editing, there is currently no AI tools available that can produce truly engaging YouTube videos on its own. As a content creator, you have 2 options. Either learn to edit videos by yourself or hire an editor from platforms such as wishtodO.com. This combination of leveraging AI for voiceovers and script writing while seeking professionals' assistance for video editing is the most effective method for achieving success in YouTube automation. In my last video, I showed how to bulk create 50 videos in just 5 minutes with the help of Canva. That method of producing videos may also help you initially starting your own YouTube automation channel. So definitely check it out, and please like this video and subscribe for more awesome videos like this one. See you in the next video.